Hello, my friends. Today we want to help Superboy Mike make money online. Superboy Mike is a student, and of course, you might be a student and you want to learn how to make money online as a student. And sometimes might not necessarily be online, but the tips I'm going to share with you are going to help you as well as going to help Superboy Mike go from having $0 to having a lot of money. So make sure you pay attention. First, Superboy Mike might be between 13 and 17 years old. He could be 18 and 25 years old, or you could be older than 26. So whatever age bracket you're in, these principles apply to you as long as you are a student. First and foremost, for students that are 13 to 17 years old, what can you do to make money online? First, as a student who is 13 to 17 years old, I remember when I was a student in 13 to 17 years old, okay, when I was in my first level in school, in the university or college, what I usually did was I did assignments to my friends. I did assignments for them, okay? And it was such that I did it so well that they paid me so well. So whenever the grades came out, I got them with flying colors, okay? And they paid me good money for it. So if you are 13 to 17 years old, you must do assignments with people, okay? It's very, very important. Then if you are 18 to 25 years old, what can you do to make money as a student? I'm telling you, you might say that okay, I don't want to do assignment for people. I'm very stressed or anything. That's what we call attendance. You can write attendance with them, or you can write their notes. Okay, if you lend people your notes, because a lot of people don't like to write notes in class, okay, they are very lazy. But since you write your notes, if someone asks you to borrow them your notes, tell them I cannot give you my notes for free. You have to pay me money to get it, okay? Because your note is your energy, it's your time, it's your I'm telling you your resources. You spend time to write them out. So why would anybody come to get them for free? Make sure that they pay you money, at least up to $10, whatever that translates to in your currency. Now that's for 18 to 25, and now let's go to the big boys. The big boys. If you're a big boy and you want to earn money online, okay, even if you're 18 to 25 or you're 13 to 17, but you have the mental maturity to handle what I want to share right now for the big boys, you can as well do it. What did I do when I was in this particular category? Because I really tried to enjoy many of these things. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about the e-commerce platforms that they call Jumia. You've heard about Jumia, okay? I know you've heard about Jumia. You've heard about Konga. Konga, okay? Jumia and Konga, okay? Of course, wherever you live, it's just like Amazon or stuff like that, okay? Where you can order items online or you have a blog or marketing stuff like that. So if you are 26 to above 26 years old, what can you do to make money online? First, you can tell people about the products online. You can help them to place orders online. It's what I did, okay? It's what I did. Okay, in another video, I'm going to explain exactly what I did, okay? But just to let you know that if you are 26 above, or if you have the mental capacity of a 26-year-old, you can as well do that to earn a lot of money online. So you just help them, tell them, the products online are a lot more cheaper than what you see outside in the common stores, okay? You tell them, give me your money, I'm going to do this for you, okay? Or you can as well order the items and bring them and sell, and then you get your money back. It's as simple as that. And make sure that before you do it, you know that there's a demand for it. And of course, as I'm telling you, something very, very simple, okay? And another thing that you can do to make money online as a student is just WhatsApp marketing. You share whatever you do. Well, in another video, I'm going to break these things down, but just for you to have a raw understanding that you can always try to make money as a student. It's not that difficult, it's not rocket science. It's very, very easy. And like always, my friends, I hope that this makes sense. But share your experience, okay? How you actually came through when you needed money as a student. What did you do to make money, okay? And all these experiences. Like I'm telling you, these are the things I actually did and they worked for me. And in another video, I'm going to share with you other things that you can do, okay? Let's see you again in the next one. Peace.